today's video we're playing a game. Yes. Let's start playing a game. And it's an online game. Yes, you can come with me, you can play with me. So yeah, guys, you don't have to worry. I think yeah. So I'm gonna do a mini challenge. It's an online game. You can play with me. I think I'll put down the name in the comments, guys. And it is free. It's not a downloading game. You can just play it for free. You can play it on Safari. You know, call this Chrome, yeah, guys. You can play it anywhere you want, yeah, guys. So just listening in. So as you can see, I have a currently expensive shop. So now I just want to see. So all I need to do is shoot that duck key. I think this will be the right one. Let's see. No, that was just too far. Nah, how does that actually happen? Okay, so that was the last one. I think just down there, yeah. And fire. Yes, we destroyed the duck. That's just one. We need to shoot the arrow. I think the last one was shit. Really, you use too much power. But yeah, now the power I think last time we used. So okay. No, too much again? No. We have to. Okay. So that actually worked. So I think right about yeah. Yes, we destroyed the duck. Okay, so I'm gonna do the last challenge. It's too much power. Too much. Okay, so I think turn down the power, but about B. Yes! Why destroy this man? Aww. But guys, we really want to continue. So we have to. I think we want to do that again. I really want to get all this money. But they let's see if there's anyone to play with online. Yeah, guys. So right now we're gonna check if there's anyone to play with online. If there's a person playing online right now, the exact game. If there's no one, then I really do not know, guys. Because then maybe that just be you. Then maybe that just might be the end of this video. So right now it's taking long. So I really don't think there's anyone. Yeah, it's glitching now. But I think that's all we can do. So yeah, guys, thank you for joining, and I'll put down the name of the game. Oh no, it's not glitching. I thought it was gonna be the end of the video, guys, but no, it's not. Okay, wow, so much. Thank you. Okay, guys, yeah, we can add things here. Okay, I think so. Yeah, we don't have that. We really want a bag boat. See if we can put stickers. Yeah, I want stickers here. Yeah. We need a lot of, so the three of us. But I'm just gonna take any amount as long as we need to become safe, guys. We need as much. We're gonna use this as our extra protection. Only two. Okay. Okay, got the two on each. Can only put two on each. Yeah, we're gonna do that for two for him, two for him, and two for him. And that's the other characters we have for some reason. So yeah, I think we're gonna put this in here. So when he shoots him, he dies. But they don't. Then actually don't reach. So right here. think correct. Because he's a leader. He's done in front. Okay, so he's not allowed to go that high. So I think if I'm able, I think we're able to be. Can I put on top? Why not? It has. I want it to be on top. Wait. Bike it. Well, I see. So I think what if we put it all, the entire boat of these things, then after that, we can just make a small hole for them, for each of them. So when it's time to fight, we'll be protected with more layers on the boat. Oh yeah, guys. So I think that's gonna be the best thing we have. Yeah. Move that part. Wait, what? It won't work for some reason, guys. It does not work. Okay. We just make a small room for them. Okay? I think, yeah. One baby stand here. One. Yeah. But let me see. One stand here, one stand here, one stand there. Okay, so the boat can. So, just in case for emergencies, we protect them. We need to protect them somehow, but at least. Only if it could float, then I just don't know, guys. It would have been better. Yeah, guys. Yeah, really. Okay, so let's put Captain Mr. Superman there, and then yeah, let's call him George, and then Mike over here, and Diamond will be there. Diamond, George, and no, and he was Cal. Okay, guys, I forgot. I think he was Damon. No, he's Damon, right? We just give them. I'm gonna give them new names, guys. So this is Damon, the one who's flying right now, because he's a Superman. So Superman fly. Whee! No, 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 Damon, Damon, no! Okay, then we have to get Damon to win over there. Okay, so Damon, yeah. And this is George, and this is Kevin. No, Kevin, Damon. No, no, Damon, where you going? Damon, and then, and he's Kevin. No, Kevin. Kevin. Okay, he's Kevin. Do we have any other characters now in the question? Stuff we don't have any more. And now we're gonna go get weapons. Well, okay, so we have a nice weapons a lot. We only have 6 weapons to choose from. Well, and these is what I only have. Yeah. So I don't think I really want these right now. So I have one. How much is one of these bombs? Okay, okay, okay. So I think I'll get one. Because this thing looks powerful, so look very powerful. So I spend it for 3 of these. Then I'll get one. How much is one of these things? $100. That's very cheap, guys. So cheap, actually. So I just need to remember not to bankrupt myself too much. The world will also have money left. Okay, so how much is one? Oh, $100 also. Yeah, guys. I want 3 of each. Oh, for 2, 1, please. So guys, I only have 150 left. So now we're gonna check if there's anyone online. Maybe it could be you guys. Maybe it just might be one of my subscribers unlucky. And maybe I just yeah. I think I'll play my treasure box. Oh no, it's called an ad. Yeah guys. So yeah guys, it's just an ad, do not worry. Okay? Just an ad. It is not a sponsor or anything. I don't do sponsors. Because no one's sponsoring me. And no one's subscribing, guys. So please guys subscribe. Okay. So yeah guys. Just subscribe. Hey, remember guys, this is not a sponsor. Not a sponsor, it's just an ad. Just an ad, okay guys? Not a sponsor. I'm not sponsoring any game. Guys. Yeah, boy, I'm taking that 6 bonds, thank you. Okay, so now who I'm gonna check? Because I'm gonna line to play with. No one else, if there's no one right there, yeah guys, done for the video. It's loading slow people. But if somehow there's a person online, right, then technically we will be able to play with. Maybe it could be you guys, so I can play with you guys. So I'm waiting. Yes! There's a person to fight with, guys! Yay! Yo, this guy be good with his army. We be still be newbies. Nah, we need to win, guys. So yeah, guys, it's time for war. Hello. Okay. Now he's a very nice pirate. Very good one. Please don't shoot. Okay, no. So shoot exactly chopstick. Just beat him, beat him. Oh, damn. Okay, sit down. No! George or David? No, he's David, right? So David is your turn. So guys, I keep forgetting names. Special delivery! Yeah, special delivery to you guys. He's a boy. Shoot already! It's taking its time. Special delivery! Hey, special. Nothing goes. Big punch. Don't get too much power. No, George. Why is the weapon not working? Yes! We defeated him! Yeah! Take that! We be winners, boys! We be winners, guys! So make sure you subscribe. We need to win this guy. He's not defeating us. Kevin! Okay, I think one of these things will work. Yeah, one of them fire. No! We lost! One of our ballies. You see, George. I'm sorry, George. You had to. sharp attack. Yeah, take a sharp attack. Shoot, man! The spell is about to end if we don't shoot. We lost, guys. We have been defeated. I'm sorry. But make sure you subscribe. If you guys, okay, guys, let's have a promise. If I hit 1,000 likes, then I will do a rematch. So yeah, guys, that's the end of the video. Well, see you in the next one. Peace out, boys. Dun 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 dun, and bye bye, and subscribe.